안녕하세요. Kami sekarang di
Indonesia. So now that we're here,
Okay.
some of your travel essentials.
Okay. Well, I mean, when the weather is hot, I do care a lot about skincare because I don't want to get sunburned. So sunscreen is very important. But this primer right here, it has SPF in it. So.
For me, I do have a primer.
It's so small.
Yeah, there's several types of primers, but I prefer like the pore filling ones.
Right. Same.
Yeah, because I really like big pores right here.
Yeah.
What about that base for you?
So I have three here, three choices. So this is one of my favorite foundations. It's like a coverage moisturizer from It Cosmetics.
This one, right.
I love it. How about you? What's your
For me,
go-to foundation?
I do enjoy those on a daily basis.
Yeah.
But since, we're here, we're filming some stuff.
That's true.
I gotta have my coverage.
Yeah, 마몽드.
I've been into this a lot.
Yeah. But to mattify, I gotta have my translucent powders.
Right.
And I know you have the mini Laura
I have the
Mercier
mini
powder.
version, yes I do.
And I carry around the Fenty Beauty translucent powder as well. And this was recommended to me by a makeup artist from Jakarta, Ryan, if you're watching.
Ryan.
Hi.
I think in hotter climates, loose powders are better. You saw my puff. I use like this giant.
Yeah, like
I use this giant.
I know, yeah.
You see this is my powder, this is my puff.
It's like bigger than my actual.
Yeah, because it's from Laura Mercier too.
Yeah, okay.
What about color cosmetics?
Color cosmetics, like eyeshadow?
Eyeshadows.
This is my go-to right now. Yeah. How about blush?
Blush?
Do you use blush?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you are using blush. I love 3C. This one is #nude peach.
This.
Vanilla Co.
It's got 3 colors in there already.
All right.
What about lips? I know you're a lip person.
I am, but I'm really into the My Lips But Better
Nice.
and Too Cool for School. Affordable, great formula.
I'm traveling though. I get annoyed touching it because I have to touch up my lipstick because I'm always like biting my lips.
Yeah.
So that's why I rely on tints.
All right, highlighter.
Oh my god.
I have two. What about you?
For me, a go-to is really the MAC Soft and Gentle.
Oh yeah, you always talk about
it's kind of like the one in that NARS one.
Yeah.
It's like a beigey, but it's really strong.
So pretty.
Oh, brows.
Yeah.
I need my brows.
Brow pencils. So I have the Giorgio Armani or the CBL ones, just depending on my mood that day. But
I'm not really picky with brow stuff, but I really like the brow pencils that are shaped like this.
Yeah, my mom likes those.
Right.
Next we have eyeliner. If I want to use eyeliner, I do like this one by Tarte because on one end it's a pencil. Oh no. And on the other, it's one of the brushes. Mascara.
Can you please explain this to me? Because every time you pull it out, it's so interesting.
The Neogen.
Yeah, right. No, I have, but I want the audience to see. It's like this metal
mascara.
Yeah.
So it's super like sanitary because after you apply it, you could just wipe it off and then put it back in.
It's almost like those silicone sponges.
So, if you were to travel to another country like last minute and you could only grab 3 products.
So obviously cushion. This one because I can use it almost as a concealer because it's so good coverage.
Okay.
Brows.
Okay.
At least one close to my hair color.
Okay.
So I don't have to use a brow mascara.
Right.
And then maybe lips, a lip tint.
A lip tint.
Because I don't use on my cheeks, right?
That's true.
Yeah, so
Smart.
multifunctional.
Yeah. I think for me, it would be a skincare cushion because I want to
help your skin.
Help my skin.
Yeah.
Like I have thick eyebrows, so I don't really care about brow products.
That's not me.
So I think it would be mascara and lipstick because it will give me a full makeup look. And like you said, use a lipstick for my cheeks.
True.
So I'll have a full makeup look using these 3 products.
Wow.
Okay. Terima kasih teman-teman for watching.
Thank you.
We love you.
Love you.
Bye.